Hi everybody! Last time, we changed the color of the flame using metals. Today, we're going to use solutions with different pHs into different colors. Dun-dun-dun. Magic Show Part 2. Yes. So, all of these are different materials. There's vinegar, fizzy water, baking soda, and detergent.
H2O.
And detergent. Now, we'll use a secret ingredient called
Blueberry indicator.
To see which one is which and to change the color of each of them. Blueberries change their color because of the presence of anthocyanins. When some of them are exposed to different pHs, they change color. So our first step would be mashing the blueberries. Now we've mashed the blueberries so that the juice can come out.
It's so gooey.
Yes, it is gooey. So our next step now is to add hot water, which is in here.
And you need to pour it. And be careful because
it's hot.
You're gonna solution is all ready.
The magic solution is now complete. Now, we will drop 2 drops into each of these 5 cups. It's magic. We put this purple-brown liquid into these clear waters, and then it all changed from red, orange, yellow, green, and I don't know, brown.
Poof.
Now this was actually plain old water. The more acidic the solution becomes, the more redder this indicator will change color, and the more basic the solution is, it will turn to more of a greenish color. Now, let's see which was which. So, please, if you have guessed from the beginning and you got it correct, this was vinegar, fizzy water, plain old water, baking soda solution, and detergent.
And this 3 are acid and this 2 are...
and this guy, because water is both acid and base.
This guy are acids and this guy
and this guy and this guy and this guy. These are
bases.
Vinegar, as you all know, contains acetic acid, which makes this red color. Also, this guy contains carbonic acid, which easily dissociates and is featured in our foam eruption video. Now, sometimes when you make a baking soda solution, you sometimes see these little bubbles. That's because the baking soda actually reacts with the water to form carbonic acid and hydroxide ions, with a leftover sodium ion. Now, after the carbonic acid dissociates, it forms these little bubbles of carbon dioxide. So even if you see bubbles in a baking soda solution next time, don't be afraid. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next magic shows.
Okay, bye, and thanks for watching.